Well, hi there. What you doing, Mia? Gonna leave them behind. I think they're still attached. Mia, I think you've got a problem there. Yeah. Lila, you can't play with them yet. They're too small, but soon. Large by Black Girl. And then the other two, Blue Boy, and where's my Tri-Boy? There he is. Hi, you. Mia, why don't you come on out for a minute? Come on. Or you gotta just keep going back and forth and make him exercise. There's the wee boy. There's that Tri-Boy right there. Whee. And giant Blue Boy. And very cute girl. Yes. Hi, sweetie. I think it's a pooper. Flashy girl. Tri-Boy. Large sable puppy. Trying to clean up the Tri-Girl. Lila, come on.